All right, so we're going to write an inequality to represent the statement that Gina must practice her piano for at least 30 minutes. And then we're going to graph that on a number line. So she must practice her piano for at least 30 minutes. So think about at least. At least means it can be equal to exactly 30 minutes, but she cannot do less than 30. The least is 30, so it should be more than 30. So this is going to be x is greater than or equal to 30. So now we're going to go ahead and graph that on the number line. I'm going to put a 30, and maybe I'm going to count by 5s over here on my number line. 40 and 45. And let's go ahead and graph that number line onto that. So we're going to put a circle at 30, and we're going to fill that in because she can practice exactly 30 minutes, but she should be practicing more than 30 minutes because it is at least. So we're going to go to the right because that is where greater than is.